The project that I worked on and worked with you guys actually on was to improve the efficiency of creating customized proposals for potential clients. And we had a lot of different data sources. So we had forms and Google Docs, and then recordings from live calls via Zoom, connecting to other tools. And we wanted to pull all that information into one document and concisely write out a customized strategy so that it really resonated with that person. And you could tell that there was a layer of care that was put into putting that strategy together. So it wasn't just an off-the-shelf kind of vanilla template. And what we found was that we could get that 80% accuracy, and the 20% we still had to massage. And where this had practical application was, for example, if the person was filling out a form and also indicating who their wife was or their husband who would be involved in the decision making, that person was mentioned in the strategy documents. And if that name was wrong, well, you've instantly lost credibility with that person, and that's just a micro thing, but it can be a huge thing in a long sales process. And that document that we co-created together has 10x'd the efficiencies of the guys that are sitting in the seats as the consultative salesperson. So what that looks like is what used to take them 10 hours now takes them an hour. And the information is way more rich and personalized, which is increasing the quote unquote close rates on the amount of deals that they can do. So there's huge upsides to it. It was my wife actually that started doing the exploring of how we could pull all these things together. And that's how we came across you guys. The experience was great. The guys that we worked with, they just helped break things down into the language that we could understand. But then also, at the end of the day, what we wanted was just a working product. And that's what we got. So and I fully understand too that things are likely going to break and change and need to be updated over time, but it's just exciting to see what can happen when you get the right people in the room trying to solve a problem together.